Assalamualaikum and hi everyone, I'm Nurshafikah Binti Darwis. So today I want to talk about my final year project which is application of deep learning for loose fruit classification in swarm robot environment. First of all, what is loose fruit? Loose fruit is referring to the single fruit that is detached from the ripe bunch, and loose fruit found on the ground approximately 3 to 5% from the bunch weight. So why do we need to collect this loose fruit? It because of this loose fruit contain of high amount of oil, and it as indicator for the readiness of that particular fruit bunch is ready for the harvesting process. Uncollected loose fruit is one of the major problems contributed to the losses in Malaysia oil palm industry, since Malaysia still use the traditional method to pick the loose fruit such as honor picker, hand picking and many more. Hence, the design of this research mostly focus on how to improve the detection and classification of this loose fruit to increase the production of oil palm industry by controlling through center with the help of swarm robot. So, how we detect this loose fruit? First step is we need to prepare the collection of data, which contain of two set of data, the positive one, the loose fruit, and the negative as the background of the loose fruit. Why do we need this data? Because the quality of our classification for the deep learning process is depend on the quality of our data. So next, we did the color space analysis, which is we get the region of interest, this fruit, by set the range of the color, which is this color, and we're going to proceed this ROI further for deep learning process. As we can see here, it detects all the region of interest that we set in the code, but the weakness for this process is it might detect the background also. For example, is number 3. It's actually a stone and not loose fruits. Next, we did a deep learning process. We are using convolutional neural network with a model of linear to train the data. From this process, we can see that the accuracy getting increased while the loss getting decreased and achieve our objective for this process. And the last step is we are combining these two processes to get a single code to detect the loose fruit. After we combine the process, we evaluate the performance. First, it detects the loose fruits. Next, we take another red object and it detect or classify as not fruit. So from this, we know that our training performance is at good level. So for the swarm robot, we are using two robots, robot 1 and robot 2. So why did we choose the robot designs? Actually, the robot's design have the capability to move around the unstructured environments. Since Malaysia oil palm industry have the unstructured environments, so this design is very suitable for this project. In conclusions, for this project, we successfully developed a vision system for loose fruit detection and classifications. And the second one is we successfully built a swarm robot based on Darwis design. And the last one is we successfully implementing this system on real oil palm plantation.